classic groove, smelling like Chanel, and you living well. Let that walk, certified clientele. I ain't lying, you wearing them hemp-on jeans, style like a leg quarter in them jeans. I'm gonna tell you, baby, and I ain't gonna lie, you a soul snatcher, baby, with a beautiful smile and all.
I like the way she walk and talk, talk and walk. Walking on that asphalt. I like the way she walk and talk and walk. And lift the walking on that asphalt.
That's right, you walking with a beautiful smile, and your lips and hips, baby, coincides with your pretty eyes when you strutting the baby. I ain't lying, I really wanna touch you, baby, but I got respect 'cause I'm digging you, girl. Let me tell you something, shorty, I don't play. I'm a dumb truck, baby, built to last, and I can tell by your walk you built to last. I ain't bragging, but I'm a soul snatcher. I'll touch you up from coast to coast and rock your boat when you need me. Call, don't worry about nothing, but after all it's said and done, you witness real. Let me hold your hand, let's walk and chill on the asphalt, baby. You talk the talk, big air gon' walk the walk, you know.
I like the way she walk and talk and walk. Lift the letters, walking on that asphalt. I like the way she walk and talk and walk. Lift the letters, walking on that asphalt.
Tell me, baby, what's your zodiac sign? I am a Scorpio, blessed and blinded by beauty for you in the heat of snatching. I ain't feeling your vibe in the midst of passion. When I look in your eyes, see your thoughts and visions. Standing next to you is a wonderful feeling. Let's talk.